vaccine is now in Ohio. This is the day that we've been waiting for.
The governor says finally there's an end in sight. Thank you so much for joining us at 5, everybody. I'm Yolanda Harris.
And I'm Andrew Kinsey. The first shots arrived this morning at hospitals in Cincinnati and here in Columbus. And it wasn't long before healthcare workers were rolling up their sleeves. Our team has you covered on this historic day. 10 TV's Angela Reigert has an update from the governor tonight.
But first, 10 TV's Stephanie Stanovich is at OSU Wexner Medical Center, and that's where the first vaccines were administered just before 11 o'clock this morning. There was a lot of excitement out there, Stephanie.
That is definitely right. Good evening. Well, here at OSU Wexner Medical Center, they received 975 doses, and they are not the only hospital in Ohio that will be seeing the vaccines. Those in the medical field say that they are excited. It's a big day for hope.
3, 2, 1.
Today, the first round of COVID-19 vaccines were given out at Ohio State Wexner Medical Center to 30 people.
Vaccinate!
Who is getting these vaccines first?
Prioritizing doctors and nurses. It's also the patient transporters that go in and out, the people that clean the rooms, the techs that help us with the patient.
Next, they'll move to patients on the COVID floor units, then patients who are sick and may or may not have COVID. OSU scheduled doses will continue tomorrow morning for those who are prioritized or high risk.
I think all of us are excited to see a little bit of hope.
There's a lot of preparation when getting the doses, like storing the Pfizer vaccine in an ultra cold temperature, then thawing the vaccine.
It has to be reconstituted, and once it's reconstituted, the doses have to be used within 6 hours.
Ohio Health's Dr. Joseph Gustaldo says Ohio Health is expecting to get 1,950 doses of the Pfizer vaccine tomorrow. That includes Riverside Methodist Hospital.
The exact time we do not know exactly yet.
Once available, they will administer vaccinations to their associates within 24 hours. He describes the vaccines being here as a game changer.
This vaccine will prevent people from getting sick and prevent people from dying from COVID-19.
But in order to see the full impact, which he says will come months down the road, wearing masks, washing hands, and social distancing needs to continue.
Still have to stay focused on what's happening today and for the next several weeks.
Now, we also spoke with Mount Carmel Hospital officials who say that they expect their first shipment of vaccines to come in on or around December 22nd, according to the Ohio Department of Health's schedule. Now, as for monitoring people after they get the vaccinations, the CDC is recommending 15 minutes. OSU says that they are going to monitor people for half an hour. For now, reporting live in Columbus, Stephanie Stanovich, 10 TV News.